Hi, this is Frederico Duarte de Almeida again, and for this video number 5, we're gonna be comparing two e-commerce applications with PrestaShop, which is the application that we have used in the other videos, in the previous videos, to create a few a few things in our e-commerce website. So we're gonna first first things first, we're gonna launch the two e-commerce applications here in our Google Cloud platform. And to do that, we're gonna go here in the menu, go to Marketplace, and then we're gonna type our first application, which is Spree. Spree certified by Bitnami. So we press here, here, and then we press deploy. Now we have to wait for a few seconds. It's loading. All right, so here we are. So here's the front end for this first application, Spree. So we're gonna open this. And now we're gonna launch the second option, which is Abante Cart certified by Bitnami. Alright, so before we go to the second option, here's the front end for the Spree, and here's the front end for our first one from the previous videos, the PrestaShop. And now we're gonna launch the third one, so we can make a good analysis of the e-commerce applications. Alright, so we go back here to our Google Cloud platform, and same thing, go here to navigation and marketplace, and here we type the Abante Cart certified by Bitnami, and press here and launch. And same thing, micro 0.6, boot disk 10 gigs, and press deploy. Now we're gonna wait for a few seconds again, and then we're gonna access the front end of all three applications to compare and see our opinion about the applications. Alright, so here we are. We have the Abante Cart application deployed, and now we're gonna access the front end for the application as we just press here, and just wait a little bit. Alright, so we have our Abante Cart application front end here in our screen, and yeah, now we can take a look on Abante Cart and Spree and PrestaShop. So if you take a look at the applications, you see they have different concepts. A Bounty card, and to me it looks a lot of information in the main page. A lot of products, and the thumbnails are large size, and here we have the menu bar with some categories and home display. Here you can change the currency, and the shopping carts access looks very obvious here on the top. Social media links, and here on the top we have the access to the account, to the customer account, and again the shopping cart and checkout options, and yeah, the search bar. This is the Bounty cart. Switching to Spree, we can definitely see that it has a very basic design, much more simple design, and if in some point it looks too simple to me, it can be easier to navigate. So it's basically only the information related to the products on for sale and the categories here, brands. These things kind of work as a filter, and also it has the search bar here on the top. Shopping cart, and yeah, logging. I kind of feel a little bit confused about this logging. It took me a few seconds to understand that this is where you should press to access your account. I would add account or account login, or just account, or just maybe put this login a little bit apart from these departments. But overall, it's okay. It's just too simple. There are no sales or promotions or any other information related to the company, just like here. And now if you go to PrestaShop, I think PrestaShop is kind of similar to a Bounty cart, but with less information. So I kind of like PrestaShop more than the other two options on the default front end design, because it's clear, but not too clear, not too simple like Spree. You see, there's nothing, just the products. While a Bounty cart has too much information. You see, it's like too much free shipping, easy payment, and here's the an advertisement here, and products, and more information here, brands, and I kind of feel confused about the design. So yeah, I think that's it for the front end. It has the categories here, and you can navigate. The subcategories just pop up here in the bottom underneath the category. You just pass the mouse and it shows the subcategories here, and also has the search bar. Just like I said on the Spree, the login is not very obvious, but in the PrestaShop it's very clear. It has the avatar here, signing, and the shopping cart, and here you can change the currency. Yeah, very good work. And the extra information is here and kind of like slideshows. So you have the option to kind of highlight your main products or even promotions, discounts, things like that. Here, popular products and another coupon here. And you have this extra block to add content. And I like this thing. You have the option to very easy way for the user to add their email and subscribe to receive promotions and good information about the company. Yeah. So now we're gonna jump to the backend, and I'm gonna give my thoughts about the backend of all three applications. All right, just like the past videos, to access the backend, we press here. Just wait a little bit. All right, for username, we're gonna use user, and for password, we copy the password in the Google Cloud Platform, and here we are. Here's Ubuntu. Now we're gonna access the backend for the Spree. Right, so we press here Spree virtual machine, and same thing. We copy here the password, and we press here for the backend, and the username is user@example.com. Let's wait a little bit. All right, so user@example.com, and the password, copy and paste. All right, here we are. Alright, so now that we have all three backends here in our browser, here's Ubuntu, here's Spree, and here's PrestaShop. I kind of have the same feeling. If you look at the PrestaShop, it's kind of in between the other two options. It has the informations, orders, and here you have the catalog, products, and you see the products here, the list, and it seems kind of like the ideal application for a person with middle level experience, I would say like that. While Spree, it's very simple. You see, kind of have very limited options here. It also has the products, but kind of similar here. And promotions, I cannot find the shipping. Oh, now I got it. Shipping methods. It also has has the same options, but I just think that it's too simple. While Ubuntu, look at that. Wow, a lot of information. So I will stick with the first option, PrestaShop. I think that's the best option for me.